In this video, I'll show you how to create breakout rooms for Google Meet. Breakout rooms are useful when you want to split a larger meeting into smaller groups for discussions, activities, workshops, or classroom tasks. Google says breakout rooms can be created either before the meeting in Google Calendar or during the meeting itself in Google Meet. Google also notes that availability depends on your Google Workspace edition, and hosts can create up to 100 breakout rooms in one call. First, let's look at how to set them up before the meeting starts. Open Google Calendar on your computer and create a new event, or edit an existing one. Add Google Meet video conferencing to the event. Then add your participants. After that, click Change Conference Settings, and on the left side, choose Breakout Rooms. Google says you can then choose the number of rooms and either drag people into rooms manually, type names directly into rooms, or use Shuffle to distribute participants automatically. When everything looks good, click Save. Now let's look at how to create breakout rooms during a live meeting. Start the Google Meet call on your computer, then go to the bottom right and click Meeting Tools, then Breakout Rooms. In the Breakout Room panel, choose how many rooms you want to create. Google says participants are distributed across the rooms automatically at first, but you can move them around by dragging and dropping names, typing their names into a room, or clicking Shuffle again to mix the groups. When you're ready, click Open Rooms. There are also a few helpful options you can use while breakout rooms are active. Google says you can set a timer for the rooms, and each room will see a 30-second countdown before the session ends. You can also clear disconnected users or reset the breakout setup if needed. If a participant needs help, they can send a help request, and you'll see a notification so you can join that room directly. For participants, the experience is simple. Google says when you invite someone to a breakout room, they'll get a prompt to join. If they accept, they move into that room. If they cancel, they stay in the main room. When the breakout session ends, participants are automatically moved back to the main call after a short countdown. One important thing to remember is that breakout rooms are not available in every account type, and some unsupported devices or older app versions may not work with them. So if you don't see the option, it may be because of your Google Workspace plan or device setup. So the steps are simple. Create the Meet event, open Change Conference Settings or Meeting Tools, choose breakout rooms, assign participants, and then open the rooms when you're ready. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.